Good afternoon, or should I say good morning. It's Norland Cobeconk watchdog Steve Katsikaris. Just doing some errands this morning here in Toronto, just getting ready for my exams. And just saw some people campaigning over here, waving traffic down, and it looks like a bunch of liberals. And I gotta say right now, I don't support any of the parties. I'm pretty much fed up with the majority of the people. But let's go down there and ask them some questions about C-51. I'd like to hear their response. Maybe give them a lesson or two on the English Bill of Rights, Constitution of Canada, maybe the Enabling Act of 1933, and let's see what they know. I got to change my batteries here, so it's getting weak. There we go. Got some fresh batteries on there. Oh. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Campaigning?
Yes. Are you recording me?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
You have a problem with that, or?
Is there a reason why you're recording me?
Yes, I'm a student at Ryerson University.
Okay.
And I'm actually a political student.
Oh, okay.
And I thought I'd maybe just film some people doing campaigning and maybe hear what you have to say, and then I'm going to put it up on YouTube. But maybe you can tell me about why I should vote Liberal.
Maybe you should talk to the candidate.
Well, you're voting in the election, aren't you?
Well, I'm voting Liberal because they have the most. Their platform is the only one that makes sense.
Like Bill C-51?
It's a platform that makes sense.
And what's that? Do you want to make a comment on why you're voting Liberal? Why are you voting Liberal? You're working for the party, right? So, or helping.
Volunteer.
Okay. Who is the candidate? Hi, how are you? I just came by to say hello. I'm a student at Ryerson University. You don't want to ask me why?
I'm just campaigning.
You don't want to give me some literature and tell me why to vote Liberal? Got C-51 issue here. It's a constitutional issue. I thought it could be maybe a referendum issue. All right, well, if nobody wants to talk, that's good. I guess I'm not voting Liberal. Have a good day, everybody.
You too, man.
Yeah, take care of yourself. I'm Steve Katsikaris, Norland Cobeconk watchdog, Ryerson student, and I'll put this up on YouTube, and you can put that up on YouTube. Have a good day, everybody. Good luck to you, sir. There you go, Ryerson. See what happens when you have a little bit of knowledge of the political sciences? Studying the English Bill of Rights, the Constitution of Canada, the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Heck, they got a bunch of people there helping this guy running the election, and they don't know why. They like the platform, but they don't know what they like about the platform. Yeah, amazing. I'm so glad we got this YouTube stuff going on now. And yeah, I'm just shopping at my favorite store. Yeah, can't afford anything now that I don't have a job. Anyhow, gotta stop saying that. There you go. Ran into some liberals, ran into a candidate, and no one wants to basically ask me a question. I wonder if they got wind of that video I put up yesterday of the candidate that came to my house. Nice to meet you. I'm a Ryerson student.
Yes.
So that's what I want to say, is that people need to get out there and start reading the Constitution of Canada. That is the big one. Charter and Rights and Freedoms, English Bill of Rights, find out about habeas corpus and why the Magna Carta came into existence, because it was of the stuff like this. King James II basically told the nobles that he's no longer going to respect the laws and started becoming dictator. And they had to overthrow the guy and then put in the English Bill of Rights to protect the freedoms of everybody. And now they want to do the opposite, take it all away again for our own protection. And we got some candidates that don't even want to talk about what they stand for, ask or answer any of my questions. I guess they just know that maybe I know a little too much. Kind of like the Durham Regional Police and the Quinte West OPP and City Council and the City of Kawartha Lakes. They don't like guys like me. Guys like me doing investigating for free. Not asking for money, reward, recognition. Yeah. Well, I just had it because I'm a patriot of this country, and I'm not going to sit back and let the Canadian Constitution be dismantled like the Weimar Constitution of Germany in 1933 and turn this place into a bloody police state. And for all you people out there that are all about political correctness, well, you can kiss that goodbye. Once the C-51 comes in, all the headway we made on women's rights, Aboriginal rights, minority rights, it just takes one dictator to get in there in about 10 years from now, and if he's a Nazi, well, I rest my case. Yeah, they did give me their literature. I'm going to give this guy some credit though, or his supporters. They did actually give me their literature. His name is Ahmed Hassan. Okay. And he's got a picture right beside Justin Trudeau. What a nice guy. Hey, Justin, like your father said, just watch me use English-speaking troops on French Quebecois. Are you going to use troops on the Canadian citizens once you have your government oversight? Yeah, at least Stephen Harper's up front about it. You typical liberals, just promise us the world. And for your infrastructure program, here's my question for you, Justin. Are you going to give all the contracts to your buddies? Huh? Is that it? Is that what it's all about? Make us feel good about getting some jobs for a little while? Meanwhile, you're helping your buddies get all those contracts? Well, you guys ain't fooling me. And your buddy here, Mr. Ahmed Hassan, he can't answer one question, like, why should I vote Liberal? Really? So there you go. Ryerson student, exposing you guys for what you are. You're NutraSweet, red and white. Steve Katsikaris, Northern Colbert Watchdog, Ryerson student. I am now signing off and going back to my studying. I got exams next week. I hope I get better than a B-. Take care, everybody.